Hello there and welcome back. My name is Striker Discom, your English teacher. Today I'm over the moon to be here with you all. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the name of the 5 fingers in English and how to pronounce them correctly. Salut tout le monde, nous sommes M. Striker, professionnel de Paula. Je dis à moi très content là avec vous dans la vidéo ça. Dans la vidéo ça, je dis à moi montrer ou non 5 doigts pour gagner dans main yo en anglais et connaître comment vous capable prononcer yo correctement en anglais. Do not forget to subscribe for more. Okay? Jean que nous t'ai dit avant, as we said previously, the name of the 5 fingers in your hand. As you can notice, the 5 fingers in your hand in English. Okay, now let's get the ball rolling. On commence. The first finger is thumb. Thumb, like that. Thumb. It's not thumb. When you have the letter combination MB, the B is silent. Là où il y a une combinaison de MB, MB devant, les M place devant B, puis souvent en anglais, B ça li muet, li pas prononcé. It's pronounced as thumb, as you can see here. That's my thumb. Yes, my thumb. Okay, the second finger is index finger. That's my index finger. Yes, as you can see the image here, that's my index finger. Okay, for the third fingers is middle finger. Middle finger. It's the second finger between the index finger and the ring finger. That's my middle finger. My middle finger. Yes. After middle finger, we got my ring finger. My ring finger. And the last finger is my little finger. My little finger. Okay? Ça c'est les pouces moi. That's my thumb. Ça c'est l'index moi. That's my finger. That's my index finger. Excuse me guys. That's my index finger. Ça c'est le majeur moi. That's my middle finger. My middle finger. And la annulaire moi. That's my ring finger. And auriculaire, petit doigt, that's my little finger. Okay? Okay guys, I think that you're gonna love this lesson. M'pense que vous allez aimer leçon ça je veux dire. L'était important pour qu'on ait nos 5 doigts ça ou gagner en anglais. Yes. If you really like this lesson, do not forget to share this video. Please ou partager vidéo ça c'est plus mon appel. Et puis, pas oublier pour like et puis abonner avec la chaîne là. Okay? It was a nice moment in this lesson. Practice this lesson. If you want to improve your English, come to my channel, Striker Discom, subscribe and share this video. Okay? The more you practice English, is the better